Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be taking a look at what the tech in Harrow is actually worth it. Today I bought this charger, a Mango charger from Harrow, and it cost me 15 bucks. The same charger I can get in Target for like 8 bucks. The same specs, the same wattage. But we're gonna find out if it was worth it or I got ripped off. If you're wondering, my previous charger, yeah, that died on me quite recently whilst I'm on the trip to Harare. Yeah, this is not my most graceful unboxing, but we're getting there. And there we have our charger. Liking the gray. Okay, it's also covered. Door covering. We also have a cable. C to C cable, Mango branded. Okay,